So, if you think that scarves are for nanas, I'm gonna prove you wrong today because I have a beautiful Dior scarf right here that I want to unbox with you and also show you a few ways that I style a square shaped scarf. Let's go. Personally, I really love a good scarf because it is really versatile and then it's also an entry-level luxury item. When I say that, that means it's below $1,000. Let me show you what this is. The packaging for this season is so beautiful. And how presentable is this if you're buying it for a friend or family? This is 90 by 90, and if you love a good typography border, look how beautiful this is. Like if you do a headscarf styling, it will just sit at the edge, which is like so fabulous. But I will show you properly in a styling session. Don't go away. In this styling session, I will show you a few examples on how I use it as headscarf, as well as like different ways that I use it as a top or as a belt and other ways. So let's start with the headscarf. First, I will tie my hair up, and then for the baby hair, I will take care of it with the scarf. So I want to start off by turning this into a triangle. So just take the both longer end and do that. And from there, we'll roll it down even further. And we got a strip. And then roll it up, twist, one twist, and then another twist. Look how beautiful is this. And just tie a knot at the back. And there you go. Baby hair out of the way, fabulously. Second way, if you want to hide your hair regrowth, so start off with a triangle again like this, in, smooth. You just proceed to tie a knot at the back, and there you go. Just another way to jazz up your casual outfit. And this is how I would wear this headscarf with a simple casual outfit like this. And of course, we need a basket bag. This one. Otherwise, I would pair this headscarf with an oversized shirt and also a pair of shorts. I will show you what I mean. So let's start with basic pair of shorts and a bikini top and shirt. I love a good thick sculptural shirt, and this one is from this Australian brand. Really good quality, really good shape. Look, the Ukrainian flag. Okay, now we need a bag, a pair of sunnies, and a pair of shoes. Bag of choice. Sunnies, these are from Fendi, long time ago, but I'm loving that cat eye. Shoes, these Japanese, of course. Ta-da! What do you think? Now I'm gonna put my hair up because I want to show you how to wear the scarf as a top. So back to that triangle that I told you. And then we tie a knot here. And see how this is hanging loose out here, right? we're gonna tuck it in to our bikini for extra security. There we go. And oh, look how cool is this on the side. And then we're gonna get an oversized blazer from the husband, of course. And then accessories. There's little jacquemus here. And of course, white Prada. I'm just loving this detail right here. It's so cool. Ready to go out. And if you need an additional coverage on the stomach, got black. So I'm just gonna, ta-da! Where's my blazer? There we go, another top. Me from the scarf. Now let me show you how I use scarf like this in colder seasons. Need a trench coat. Be right back. Let's use this trench coat from the H&M collab with Simone Roca. This was from last year, and I'm so happy to get a hold of this piece. So that's how the trench coat looked like, quite baggy and loose, therefore we need to belt it. So back to the triangle, and remember how I rolled it up for the headscarf? We're gonna do the same. Just gonna belt it. Double knot for extra drama. And I need a bag. I think this will work. This is from Michael Kors. Ta-ta! So yeah, this is how I would usually use my scarf in winter for extra drama. So yeah, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's helpful for you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell button so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Have a lovely day and I hope to see you on my next styling session. Ciao!